Good afternoon, everybody. This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading on Saturday. Okay, where do I begin? This is an evidentiary video to show you, demonstrate to you the level of vandalism that takes place on my house. This is a locked building garage that I am renovating, and I'm renovating it. It had a dirt floor. It had an old wood floor that was all cracked, and we are laying beautiful new pine flooring, perfect mint condition. We opened the door today and the criminals were in here, and this is what they did. They cracked the floor. Like, as soon as you walk in, this is what they did. They cracked open the floor. They cracked here, all along here. This is all cracked. This was not laid like this. This was in perfect condition. They drilled a hole in here. They want to make it look like it was a knot. And then this is what they do. They create knots where there were none. See, one, two, three in a row. 1, 2, 3. And then here with a little swirl. And here, they're burn marks. Wasn't like this, folks. This is what they do. They darken the wood here. They cut this. This was in perfect condition. And then, of course, their little triangle in the knot here. They jabbed the knots to cause them to crack. They darkened these. And then took their little symbol out of the corner here. Cut this. This was all mint condition. We opened the door today and it had been damaged. So this floor that was newly laid a week ago, no one else has been here except me, and the criminals have been in here and damaged this newly laid floor. This is what it's like to work on a homestead. Everything that I install new, literally within 24 to 48 hours, they come and destroy it. They don't want me to prosper. They don't want me to improve the property. Whatever I improve, they destroy. Look, folks, this is at the entrance. They just did this. So now, coming in and out of this entrance with a wheelbarrow and stuff, it will get stuck on here. And now this is nailed down. So we have a choice. We can either pull up this board, flip it over, which is more work because it's nailed down, which also means that it's probably going to crack. We won't have this board to use. And I'm paying somebody hourly to do this. This is what they do, folks. These boards were in mint condition. Mint condition. And this is what these criminal losers have done to these boards. It's all intentional. Well, do you think somebody would lay a piece of wood like this? No. This is not the way we lay wood here. And this is what they did to the knots. And this is exactly what they did on the inside of my house. And I want you to see how they do it. They scrape the wood. They darken the knot. They scrape it so that it makes it difficult when you're sweeping it, that debris gets stuck in it. This is all intentional. This is not the way the wood looked when it was laid. The wood was smooth, very smooth. And this is what the criminals did. I may actually report this as vandalism because this is a newly laid floor, and this is what these losers have done to this floor. I'm recording this, by the way, because this is evidence that this has been tampered with. But anyway, I'm going to sign off for now. And you can see for yourself, folks, how this floor was intentionally sabotaged. Look. Okay, this is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading signing off on Saturday. Hope you're having a better Saturday than I am.